Bought a new toy. Bought a Ronin. Quite possibly a little bit overkill for what I actually need, but I got a cracking deal. So the Ronin comes in bits, and look at that! The Ronin should come with 2 batteries. There's 1 battery. Okay, so it comes in a lot of little bits and you've got to assemble it. So before I take it all out, first things first, charge the battery. The Ronin comes with its own stand for setup, and so you can calibrate the gimbal when you're putting the camera on it. Getting there, just got to mount the camera onto the actual gimbal itself. Just stuck the base plate onto my camera and put this top mount on as well. Not sure what it's for, but it's telling me to put it on. Now I'm going to attach the camera to the Ronin. I have hit a snag. So got the camera on, leveled it. My Ronin has been tested thoroughly at the factory before they sent it out. Now this has a password to connect to the app, and somebody set a password, so I need to go online and reset the password. Bit stupid. This isn't going well. So in the factory they actually test the Ronins and they have to put a password in. I've been scouring the net to try and find out how to reset the password because I can't get in. And I finally just found out that the password is 6 characters long, which it says on the app, but the 6 characters are 6 spaces. So just hit the space 6 times and then it will actually register to the Ronin. Too long to work that out. They should just write that on the manual, but whatever. If you got one and you can't find your password and you can't reset it because the app doesn't work on the laptop, 6 spaces and you're in. Now you've got to activate it, and I just got this. There you go, device not activated. So what do you do? So to activate the device, quite simple. Press, you need the internet, just make sure the remote control is switched on. Otherwise it won't do anything. That was easy. This is so cool.